Top 3 tips for growing out your hair. Well, you're here, so it's safe to assume you're looking to add length to your locks and may need a little help. You've come to the right place because I have 3 super simple and seriously effective tips to help promote hair growth fast. Tip number 1 is nutrition. Just by eating a properly balanced and nutritious diet, your hair growth journey is off to a great start. The B vitamin family provides the most hair growth benefits of any other vitamin, one of the most notable being biotin. Omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin C and E also promote healthy hair growth. Nourishing from the inside out strengthens the hair you have and stimulates the hair you want to grow. You'll notice a major difference in not only your hair, but also your mood, skin, nails, the list goes on. Tip number 2, scalp massage. Massaging your scalp is a super beneficial technique to maximize hair growth. To start, use your fingertips and massage your head while at the same time cleansing your hair with shampoo. By stimulating the hair follicles with massage, you're increasing scalp circulation. As your hair follicles are made up of hyperactive stem cells, they require that extra flow of oxygen to enhance hair growth. Added bonus, scalp massages also help reduce tension headaches, relieve stress, and promote relaxation. Major win all around. Our final tip, ingredients. Check to make sure your hair products don't contain any harmful chemicals, sulfates, salts, or any other damaging ingredients. Over time, added fillers and chemicals will lead to hair breakage and scalp buildup. Destructive ingredients leave behind unhealthy buildup, which will further prevent your hair follicle from growing. Taking a little extra time to read the labels and get familiar with your shampoos, conditioners, and styling products is essential when it comes to hair growth and scalp health. So, if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more hair tips and tricks, please subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit that like button. Thanks again!